Paano naman yung may nagawa kang mali habang nanliligaw ka? Like for example, nakikiss mo siya kahit di pa kayo. Then pinabayaan niya lang. Ako naman umabuso. Nagalit siya dahil doon. May pag-asa pa bang magpatuloy ng panliligaw? Sigarilyo naman. Huwag kasi yung tipong santong paspasan, no, idolo. Huwag naman yung tipong, oo nga, nakikiss mo na tapos dediretso ka kagad doon sa pempems, no? Huwag ganon, idolo. Ang gusto kasi ng mga babae, yung tipong may build up, no? Yung tipong soft kisses na muna, ayan, ng mga chicks, tapos papunta na sa leg, tapos andun na sa may osus, yung mga yung chill-chill lang na romansa, no, idolo. Ngayon, kung nagkaroon ng resistance, halimbawa, you guys are already making out, tapos inawakan mo yung osus niya, and then she resists, stop ka na muna, idolo. Stop, and then just get back to talking with her again. You know, usap-usap muna kayo. Then after a while, try to kiss her again. And then go a little bit more every time until you end up inside of her. Always remember, take 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Kung may resistance, edi stop muna and get back to talking again. Pero ang good news dito, idolo, ay pwede pa rin syempre ituloy yung panliligaw sa kanya. Pero granted na dapat you have already learned from your mistakes and never do it again. And I'm sure this time you have already made amends, ano? Then if she is still pissed out about it, then go and give her space na muna. 5 to 7 days, ganun. Go no contact on her for 5 to 7 days and then try to ask her out again. Ngayon, kung hindi siya pumayag, then that just means that she really got turned off with what you did, bro. And ang best course of action mo dito is just walk away and never look back. Date other women na, and I'm sure by this time you've already learned from your mistakes, diba? Ganyan talaga sa dating world, no, sigarilyo. Trial and error. Huwag ka masyado malungkot because that happened, no. Actually, be glad that happened. Because if that hadn't happened, you've never learned from that mistake. Don't beat yourself up masyado, no, sigarilyo. Get back on the saddle and date other women naman kung ayaw na talaga niya makipag-usap sa'yo. Ang mahalaga dito ay yung lessons na dapat hindi natin inuulit in the future. Kasi nga, according to Einstein, the definition of insanity is doing things over and over again expecting different results. Pero alam nyo, believe it or not, nangyari na rin sa akin yan eh. Kaya I can totally relate to this. Ganyan din kami sa umpisa, no? We were kissing, we were making out, and things are getting really hot and heavy na. Pero nung binuhat ko siya, papunta dun sa kwarto, and then I was like taking her panties off na. And take note, I was doing that in the most aggressive way possible. Kasi nga, nakainom na rin, and then grabe siguro, gigil na gigil ako that night. No? And then ito naman si girl, she was like, stop, yaman ko das. And then ako naman, ito parang si Hulk naman talaga na arit talaga, ano. Nagalit din siya sa akin noon afterwards, no, sa totoo lang. And then, in the morning, na-realize ko na, holy shit, dude, that was fucking wrong. I had way too much to drink last night. So, ganun, no, ganun yung thought process ko. So then, I messaged the girl and then sinabi ko sa kanya, sorry about the way I acted last night. I was being too aggressive. But take note that I didn't say sorry because I kissed her, no. Only the fact na naging aggressive ako dun towards the end of our interaction. Doon sa part na nag-transform ako. Then after that, I gave her space to think. Then after a week, I contacted her back and asking, you know, when are we free to get together? And yeah, pumayag naman siya. We still dated even after that incident, ano. So yun na lang muna, no, sigarilyo. If hindi ka pa rin niya kinakausap and she's really pissed off about it, give her space na muna. And remember, don't over-apologize, because that would make you look desperate talaga and very weak. If you have already said your piece, then give her time na muna and ask her again for a date after a week. Kung pumayag siya, edi good. Kung hindi, edi good pa din kasi you definitely have something to learn from this. Hope nakatulong ako sa iyo, sigarilyo, and follow for more. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.